In this video, I'm going to show you how to work stocks on Cash App. This is actually very simple, so I'm going to break it down so it's easy to understand. First of all, you want to sign up for the app, obviously, and your app will look something like this. Then at the top, you're going to have a cash balance. This is your cash or money within the app. You can tap add money to add money from your bank account, or you can tap withdraw to withdraw this money to your bank account. So this at the top is the back and forth to your bank account. Once you have money in here, you can use it on Cash App. So I can scroll down, go to stocks. And then at the top, it's gonna show a chart with your performance in your portfolio. So all of the stocks that I own combined are worth $201. You can go to different time frames on this chart as well to get an idea of how you're performing. If you scroll down, you're gonna get some news, your portfolio and how it's performing, the stocks owned in your portfolio. So I own these 7 stocks right here. You can look at some categories, most traded monthly and biggest daily movers. Now, if you want to find a stock to purchase, you can use the search bar at the top. You can do categories, performance, advanced, most traded stocks, most traded ETFs, stocks that pay dividends, or you can look by categories down here. Once you tap on any of those stocks, you can buy them and they'll show up here in your stocks owned. Once you tap on any stock, it's going to have a chart for the performance of that stock as well. You can also select different time frames. You can scroll down, see your total investment and performance, get some news about this stock and more key information. If I want to buy this stock, I would tap the buy button. I can tap any of these pre-selected amounts, or I can tap the 3 dots and type in any amount that I want. Remember, I only have $16 in my Cash App balance to spend, so if I wanted to purchase more than that, I would need to add more money into my cash balance first. In the top right, you're gonna see the total amount of the stock that you own, $5.09. So I could also sell this stock. I could tap all. I would tap next, go through the process, and if I did sell this stock, that $5.09 would go back to my cash balance here on the home screen. And then I would have around $21. So that's how Cash App stocks work. You have a cash balance on your home screen where you can send money back and forth to your bank. And then you have a stocks section where you can find everything you need to about your stocks and buy and sell from the money in your cash balance. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.